Hello everyone, my name is Somraju and I am very happy to share that I have been selected for service desk role at Omega Healthcare and Management Services through eVision TechnoServe. I had joined eVision TechnoServe with the goal of improving my technical skills and preparing myself for a successful career in IT. During my training journey, I gained valuable knowledge and hands-on experience in IT service desk operations, Windows administration, and Active Directory Office 365, networking fundamentals, and ticketing tools, as well as remote desktop service and user account management and troubleshooting and customer service. The training program was well structured and focused on practical learning, which helped me to understand real-time requirement along with the technical skills. I also improved my communication, problem-solving abilities, and interview readiness and professional confidence. The mock interviews, resume preparation sessions, and continuous guidance plays a major role in helping me to prepare for the placement opportunities. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to entire eVision TechnoServe team for the constant support and encouragement. A special thanks to the Dipti and Priya ma'am for their valuable guidance and motivation, continuous assistance throughout my learning and placement journey. They supported helped me to stay focused and confident during the recruitment process. I'm thankful to eVision TechnoServe for providing me with that wonderful opportunity and helping me to kickstart my career with Omega Healthcare and Management Services. I would like to recommend eVision TechnoServe team to freshers and job seekers who are looking to enhance their technical skills and build a successful career in IT services industry. Thanks.